guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this card carousel animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. First, let's create the character cards. I have downloaded some character image from Google and removed their backgrounds. Now take a frame. Place the first character inside and change the background color. Do the same for other cards. Next, we will design the main layout. Take a new frame and set the background color. Now, draw a rectangle and place it like this. And change the color. And add the heading. Bring in the first card and position it nicely in the center. Then add the next two cards, place them behind and rotate them slightly for a stacked look. Now stack the remaining cards and place them outside of the frame. Now, duplicate the frame and move the current card out of the frame and bring in the next one. Push the new card back and give it a little rotation. Repeat this process for all the remaining cards. Finally, switch to prototype mode, connect each frame using on-drag interaction, Smart Animate and use ease in and out back with 1000 ms duration. And that's it. You have got a smooth interactive card animation in Figma. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Till then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.